Recently I have updated my Windows 11 and I found a new folder in the C drive called Windows.old. If I check the space, the file size is very large. I tried to delete Windows.old folder from here but got the error. I searched on the Google and found the solution. I thought I would share the trick with you. So let's begin. Cancel this one. Go back to this PC. Right click on the C drive. Click on the properties. Click on details. Here your system will scan all the files in the C drive. So you need to wait until it finishes the scanning. Now we can see the size of temporary files is 26 GB. So now double click, wait for the scanning process. Now we can see one more option, previously Windows installed, previous Windows installation. Select this one. You can also remove the download if you want, and you can also select any other folder if you want to delete the files from that folder. So now click on the remove files. You will get the warning message to remove the files. Click on the continue button. It will delete the Windows.old folder and you will get a lot of space after the deletion of the Windows.old folder. Now it's done. Now go back. Again click go back. Now close that folder and now we can see the space available in C folder. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you are new to our channel. Please come back again. Thank you friends.